Welcome to this tutorial on how to crochet the Foundation Treble Crochet. It's one of the foundation crochet stitches and are used instead of chains to start crochet projects where you're going to work treble crochet stitches. Start with a slip knot and place the slip knot onto the crochet hook. Then you're going to chain 5 stitches. Then you're going to yarn over twice like you do when you start a treble crochet. Then insert a crochet hook into the first chain you made and pull up a loop. Then yarn over and go through the first loop on the crochet hook. This is the chain part of the stitch. Then yarn over and go through 2, yarn over and go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2, and that was the treble crochet part of the stitch. Then yarn over twice to do another one, and now you're going to find something that looks like a chain at the bottom of your work. And this is where you're going to insert a crochet hook. And you can see it has 2 loops like a regular stitch. Then you're going to pull up a loop, yarn over and go through the first loop on the crochet hook. Then you're going to yarn over and go through 2, yarn over and go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2, and that was another foundation treble crochet. Let's do another one. Yarn over 2 times and go to the bottom and find the chain and pull up a loop, yarn over and go through 1 loop to make the chain part of the stitch. You can see they're forming at the bottom. Then yarn over and go through 2, yarn over and go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2 to do the treble crochet part of the stitch. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to do the foundation treble crochet, and I hope you enjoy using it in crochet projects soon.